Greetings and salutations. Welcome to Paracord Stuff. Today's project is a snake knot. This method I'm going to show you is the simplest way to do it. Okay, we're going to be using a 4-strand cord consisting of 2 strands at 14 inches long, melted together to form a loop, both connected to form the cord. The colors we're using is solid green and a pink black camera. They're both 36 inches long, 91.44 centimeters, connected together to form one strand that's 72 inches or 182.88 centimeters. Gonna need a pair of scissors, a lighter, and a presser. And here we go. We're gonna put it right through the double cow hitch to the side. And we're probably going to use some fibs later on to make it a little bit easier. Take one from the right side, go across 3, down in between 1 and 2, to down, pull it under, and back to your right. From the left side, cross 3, down in between 3 and 4. Pull one through, pull it back to your left. Kind of keep it tight. That's the whole weave. Very simple. Again, right side, down, over 3, down in between 1 and 2, and then pull back to the right. From the left side, go across to the right, over 3, down in between 3 and 4. Cinch it up, keep it tight. Thing on this one, you want to keep it tight. Again, from the right side, over to the left, down, in between 1 and 2. Then pull it back to the right. Left side, go over 3, in between 3 and 4. Go down, under, pull back to the left. From the right, over 3, down in between 1 and 2, back to the right.